those who are watching this video. This is a video for the students of class 11th biology, and Nivedita is here by taking a topic from chapter number 9. The topic is nucleic acid. Okay, in the previous videos just I have covered the topics carbohydrates, okay, and proteins. So this is the third video of this chapter. Okay, so nucleic acid, begin with what are nucleic acid. So these are polynucleotides. ये word से ही समझ में आ जाना चाहिए. Polynucleotides means इसमें बहुत सारी nucleotides की unit है. Okay, so nucleic acid has three chemically distinct components. Okay, and the components are nitrogenous base, ribose sugar, and the phosphate group or phosphoric acid. Okay, these are the three components of nucleic acid. Okay, and the sugar which is found in the nucleic acid, either it will be ribose or deoxyribose. ठीक है, three components है nucleic acid के. Three components है: nitrogenous base, ribose sugar which is a pentose sugar, okay, and phosphoric acid. And the sugar, it may be either ribose or deoxyribose. So nucleic acid containing deoxyribose sugar is called DNA, that is deoxyribonucleic acid, and those containing ribose sugar are called as ribonucleic acid. Means we have two types of nucleic acid. We have two nucleic acid, that is DNA and the RNA. So let's see. We have this structure of nucleotide, that is adenylic acid. Here you can see in the center, that is pentose sugar is there, one side adenine and one side phosphoric group is there. Now begin with, as I told you, there are three components. One is nitrogenous base, ribose sugar, and the phosphoric. So nitrogenous bases, so these are the flat heterocyclic. Okay, these are heterocyclic compounds having nitrogen and carbon in the ring structure. You should know this. Okay, these are heterocyclic compounds having nitrogen and carbon in the ring structure. Okay, and these are of two types, purines and pyrimidines. So purines is larger and composed of two rings, okay, whereas pyrimidines, it is smaller and composed of single ring. Okay, and purine further is of two types, A and G. In short, we call them as A and G. Okay, that is adenine and guanine. And pyrimidines, they are further of three types: cytosine, thymine, and uracil. Okay, CTU, cytosine, thymine, and uracil. This is a flow chart which is showing all this in summarized way. Here you can see nitrogenous base are of two types, that is purine, pyrimidines. Further purines are of two types. So here you can see, and pyrimidine is of three. Okay, so this is a flow chart showing the types. Now nitrogenous bases, here you can have the structure. Okay, see, purine, as I told you, it is having two rings, and pyrimidines is having one ring. So you can find the difference over here. Now pentose sugar, as I told you, it occurs in pentagon form structure you have seen, and it is with 4 carbons and 1 oxygen forming a ring. इस रिंग में 4 कार्बन है और 1 ऑक्सीजन है, and it is present in the form of ribose or deoxyribose sugar, as previously I told you. Okay, so this is about the pentose sugar. And the phosphate group, so it is composed of phosphoric acid. A nucleotide may have 1, 2 or 3 phosphate groups. Okay, and it gives acidic nature to the nucleotide. Okay, so phosphoric acid, what is it? It is it may have 1, 2 or 3 phosphate groups and providing the acidic nature to the nucleotide. Now nucleoside, if a pentose sugar is attached to nitrogenous base by a glycosidic bond, then it is called a nucleoside. Means it is having only nitrogenous base and ribose sugar. Okay, so this is nucleoside, means no phosphate. So we have the example of adenosine. Okay, likewise guanosine, thymidine, uridine and cytidine. These are the examples of nucleoside. You have to keep in mind these are nucleoside and those were nucleotides. Okay, so you can just study by writing them in two columns, one side nucleotide and second side nucleoside. So it will not, you will not have any confusion. Okay, otherwise the names will confuse you. So better to study in this way, making two columns. So the nucleoside combines with the phosphate group at 5 position by an ester bond to form a nucleotide. मतलब जब इस nucleoside से phosphate group attach हो जाएगा 5th position पे और वहाँ बनेगा ester bond. ओके, तब ये क्या बन जाएगा? nucleotide. हियर यू कैन सी न्यूक्लियोसाइड्स को देख सकते हैं, है ना, इसमें फॉस्फेट ग्रुप नहीं है, पेंटोज शुगर है और नाइट्रोजनस बेस है, तो ये है न्यूक्लियोसाइड. हियर यू कैन गेट द डिफरेंसेस बिटवीन द न्यूक्लियोसाइड एंड न्यूक्लियोटाइड्स. ओके, so as a nucleotide main differences I told you what differences are there. Okay, so you can see here, and there are some terms, summarized one. Okay, so you can see. Thank you so much, and in the next video we will study about the structure of DNA.